register in the site from the link given in description. I using the site from few days back. Now I have 9788 Satoshi. Minimum payout 10,000 Satoshi. So I need some more Satoshis to get withdraw. Now I show you how to earn with this site. Now go to menu. Go to view ads. See there are surf ads, window ads, video ads. Now go to surf ads. These all are the surf ads. We can earn Satoshis with these ads very easily. This is the time we should wait after open this ad, that is 45 seconds. Just open it. After you open, wait 45 seconds and go back. Your Satoshis will be added. In this way, you do this with all ads. It is very easy, guys. Just open and wait. After 45 seconds, go back. Now see there, Satoshis is added. Now click on another ad and wait. Your Satoshis will be added. Okay. Now I skipped this video. See last ad. Now ads are completed. Now go to menu. Now go to window ads. See, these all are window ads. Open it. Okay. Wait until that the above loading completed. Okay. Wait. After this loading is completed, go back. Your Satoshis will be added. Do same with all ads. Okay. Now open another window ad. Okay. In this way, we can earn free Satoshis. just solve it. Captcha. Last window add. So now go back. All window ads completed. Go to menu and go to video ads and just open it and play. Wait 30 seconds. Your statuses will be added to your balance. After you reach 10,000 Satoshi, you can take withdraw. It's very easy, guys. Don't miss this site. So this ads is available every 1 hour. So check oftenly and earn your Satoshis, or you can earn with every 24 hours. So video ads is completed now. Visit website. After that go back. See video ads completed. Now go to menu, click on offers. So you can earn Satoshis by completing offers from here. So these all are the offers you can complete and earn. Now go to menu, dashboard. So now I have 10,057 Satoshi. Before withdraw, we should add our withdrawal address from profile. Now go to menu and profile. Now go to wallet. Now add your cryptocurrencies from there. Now I adding my free Bitcoin wallet withdrawal address. Okay, now click on next. Now you will receive a code from your mail. Just copy and paste here and click on confirm. See there, I received a mail. Open it. Copy code. Paste there and click on confirm. Now withdrawal address is added. Now go to menu and click on withdraw. See there, you can withdraw your Satoshis with any coin of this. Now I want withdraw my Satoshis with Bitcoin. So now I select my Bitcoin. So after you select, just click on withdraw. Okay, now read this all carefully. After you read and confirm everything, after that click on confirm. Now see there, my withdrawal request was successfully added. Now my withdrawal is pending. The payout received within 3 days. Okay, after receive payout to my wallet, the payment proof from my wallet. Okay, go to menu, go to history, go there, select withdrawals. See there, my status is paid, so payout sent to my wallet. See there, this is the email from CoinPayu, payout sent to my wallet. Okay, this is the mail from my free Bitcoin wallet. So amount received to my wallet. Now I show you the payment proof from my states. Okay, see there, payout received to my wallet. In this way you can earn money very easily. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.